I guess that's why I'm standing. My shirt's all flared out. I look kind of.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay.
Yep.
Hey y'all, Mark and Sarah from Overlook Valley Homestead.
It's chicken killing day.
That's right. We're gonna process some chickens today. We're not gonna show the whole process. There's plenty of videos out there showing that, and it's our first time. So we're gonna do this, and that we are gonna show you the new chicken plucker that we made. So
yeah, and our redneck killing cones that we threw together at the last minute.
Yeah.
And
so
but
you see them back here.
Yeah, we're basically just sharing this. It's part of our journey, and we had a video a while back showing our meat chickens when we bought them, and another update. To be honest, they were supposed to be done last week, and I got severely sick this past week with some kind of food poisoning, so that got prolonged, and these chickens are huge. Probably bigger than what they should be, but it's okay. We're dealing with it, and we got everything set up. We got the chicken plucker back here. We got the killing cones. We got buckets. We got the propane heater back here with our hot water. We got the table set up over here to do all the processing. We got coolers right here, so I think we are good to go.
And we got family here for more support.
Yeah, so over here. We started with 16 chickens, and all the chicks made it. We lost one about 3 weeks ago. It seemed to have had a prolapse, and I lost another one at the beginning of this week. So not sure what happened. I'm probably because it got too big.
It died. That's what happened.
So, anyway, we want to show you our cones. If you haven't done this, the price of the equipment that you need, it's good to get if you can invest in it, but it is pricey, and so we didn't have the money to get it. So,
and we didn't know if we were going to do this more than one time.
Well, yeah,
so,
and
you know, our first time we want to use what we got.
Right, we use what we have around here. So my intention was to use the 5-gallon. Well, first I was going to use vinegar bottles, milk jugs. These chickens are too big for that. So I was going to use the 5-gallon bucket where you cut the top off and the bottom and you roll it up. And then I realized today, well, Mark had to work last night, so he's been asleep. So we had to wait, and I was trying to get everything put together. But we didn't have enough buckets. So we just used what we had. So we're going to show you what we did. Okay, so Mark was walking around the yard trying to find something for us to make a cone, and I said, what about shower board? Because we used to have some spare shower board. Sure enough, he had some, so this is what we did. We just rolled it up and cut it and taped it together, and of course we made a stand out of some scrap wood to hold it. We got the buckets down here and screwed it on. We did have to cut a little bit more off because the chickens wouldn't reach down. I had to try them in there. So, but yeah, our redneck free killing cones, and they're gonna work. So I mean, this is not something that we'll be able to use again, but in a spur of the moment fix, here you go. Okay, so we did not get any video of the chicken plucker working. We just got carried away with what we were doing, and we didn't. It got really late because we started later during the day, and we got a thunderstorm brewing, so wind blowing and stuff. But anyway, cones worked good, and the plucker worked good. I'll show you in just a second. There was one small issue, but it's fixable, and that's fine. You know, yeah, it's a lot of work, but feel very blessed that we were able to do this, especially after what happened to me last week with getting food poisoning. And we're not 100% positive, but I think that it was meat purchased from the store, and so it was bad. I was sick for about 5 days. I mean, like really sick. And I probably should have gone to the hospital because I was so dehydrated. But anyway, I'm better now. And so this is just so much more of a blessing because we know where our meat's coming from and we were able to put it up. Now, what I did, a lot of people seal them and in those seal packs and dip them in the water and whatever. We're not big on eating whole chickens a lot, so I kept 3 of them whole. And oh, another thing, an experience that we had, the very first bird, we got the water just a tad bit too hot, kind of scalded the skin a little bit. So that's just gonna be a boiling chicken. And then the second one, I can't remember, but some of the skin got damaged. Maybe it got too hot, and then I don't remember. But there was 2 of them that was kind of messed up. But I left 3 whole, and I just cut the rest of them in half. We ended up having from 4 pounds to over 7 pounds for the chickens. So most of them were 6+ pounds. So that's plenty of food for our family. I mean, it's just me and Mark and Tyler. And 1/2 of a chicken, you know, I can cut it up and use the pieces. I can cook it as the half, or if I want a whole chicken, I can pull out 2 bags. So that's what I did. I just cut them all out, cut the backbone out, and I'm gonna make broth out of those and the feet. And then I cut the wing tips off too, and I'll use those for broth. And so I'm very pleased, very pleased. We feel very blessed that this has been an option. We will do it again. I was worried about Mark thinking it was overwhelming and too much work, but no, we will do it again as long as the birds are available. Okay, so chicken plucker, and it worked really good. We washed and washed and washed and washed. We couldn't get all these feathers out. The only problem that we had is on the side right here, some of the feet got stuck on the really heavy birds, and it actually broke some of the feet, which Mark had said that it was because he actually made the plate a little bit larger than it was supposed to be, and now he knows why he shouldn't have done that. So that'll have to be something that he worked on. But other than that, it worked really good. We probably could use 1 more row of fingers, but we were very pleased. Anyway, thanks for watching. We thought we would share our first time doing meat chickens here on the homestead. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.